We are learning to count a set of objects. Here we have a set of cars. When I'm counting, I want to put my finger on each object as I count them. I'm going to start with this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I put my finger on each car to help me count, it makes sure that I don't leave any out. So this set of cars, there are 10. Sometimes I like to double check just to make sure. This time I'm going to write the number by the car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, I've double checked. There are 10 cars. Here are a set of pens. Before I start counting them, I'm going to organise them so they're in a straight line, which makes them easier for me to count. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pens in this group. Okay, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. There are 6 pens.